Stop wasting your money on complicated smart kitchen tech. You're about to buy the wrong appliance if you're a beginner looking to upgrade your kitchen in 2026. Trust me, I've tested hundreds of devices, and most are either overkill or just plain frustrating for someone just starting out. But today, I'm cutting through the noise to bring you the absolute best smart kitchen appliances designed specifically for beginners, making your cooking journey simple, enjoyable, and incredibly effective. Now, before we dive into the countdown, let me just tell you, our number one pick is going to completely change how you think about cooking. It's the smart appliance that literally does it all, and it's the Instant Pot Pro Plus Wi-Fi. But more on that game changer in a bit. Let's kick things off with number 5 on our list, an appliance that brings restaurant-quality precision right into your home, perfect for beginners who want consistent, perfect results every single time. Coming in at number 5, we have the Anova Culinary Sous Vide. This isn't just a gadget, it's a revelation for perfectly cooked meats and veggies. Its best feature is absolute temperature precision, allowing you to cook food to exact doneness with zero guesswork, all controlled easily through its intuitive app. If you're a beginner who loves steak, chicken, or fish and wants to impress without the stress of overcooking, this is for you. It practically guarantees a perfect meal. The one honest flaw? While incredibly precise, it does require a water bath setup, which can feel a little slow compared to traditional cooking methods, and it's not an all-in-one solution for your entire meal. But what if you're looking for something that brings a bit more fun and creativity into your kitchen, especially when it comes to satisfying your sweet tooth? Then you'll love our next pick. Sliding into the number 4 spot is the Ninja Creami Ice Cream Maker. This appliance is pure fun in a box. Its best feature is its ability to transform almost anything frozen, from fruit to protein shakes, into ice cream, sorbet, gelato, or milkshakes in minutes. It's incredibly easy to customize flavors and textures, making it a fantastic tool for families, dessert lovers, or anyone looking to create healthier frozen treats without artificial ingredients. For the beginner who loves experimenting with desserts, this is a must-have. The honest flaw here is its notorious loudness during operation. It can sound like a small jet engine taking off for a few minutes, and it is a single-function appliance, meaning it'll take up dedicated counter space for just one task. From frozen treats to supercharged smoothies and soups, our next appliance is an investment, but one that truly pays off for the health-conscious beginner. Our number 3 spot goes to the Vitamix A3500 Ascent Series. This isn't just a blender, it's a blending powerhouse. Its standout feature is its raw power and smart blend programs, which automatically adjust to your container size and desired consistency, taking all the guesswork out of making perfect smoothies, hot soups, or nut butters. It's for the beginner who is serious about healthy eating, wants a durable appliance that will last a lifetime, and values top-tier performance above all else. The one honest flaw is its premium price point. For a beginner, the cost can be a significant barrier, and while it's incredibly versatile, it might be overkill if you're only planning to make basic smoothies. If you're thinking, okay, but what about an appliance that can actually cook my entire meal and replace half the gadgets in my kitchen? Then our number 2 pick is going to blow your mind with its sheer versatility. At number 2, we have the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. This is a countertop oven on steroids, and its best feature is its incredible versatility. It air fries, toasts, bakes, roasts, slow cooks, and even dehydrates, all with smart algorithms that make complex cooking simple. It's designed for the beginner who needs a do-it-all appliance to replace a toaster, an air fryer, and even a conventional oven for smaller meals, perfect for small kitchens or busy individuals. You get professional results with minimal effort. The honest flaw? It has a substantial counter footprint, so make sure you have the space. Also, for some beginners, the touchscreen interface can feel less intuitive than traditional physical dials, requiring a bit of a learning curve to navigate all its functions. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. The ultimate smart kitchen appliance for beginners in 2026. This device truly simplifies cooking, making gourmet meals accessible to everyone. Our number one pick for the best smart kitchen appliance for beginners in 2026 is the Instant Pot Pro Plus Wi-Fi. This isn't just a kitchen appliance, it's an entire cooking ecosystem. Its best feature is its unparalleled multifunctionality, combining a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, sous vide, sauté pan, sterilizer, yogurt maker, cake baker, and steamer all in one smart device. The Wi-Fi connectivity allows for app control and access to thousands of recipes, making complex dishes straightforward and foolproof. It's for the ultimate beginner, someone who feels intimidated by cooking or simply wants to streamline their meal prep with an appliance that handles nearly everything. The honest flaw is that while it does everything, truly mastering all its diverse functions can take some time. The pressure cooking aspect, while safe, can initially be a bit intimidating for first-timers, and sometimes the Wi-Fi features feel more like an add-on than an absolutely essential component. But even with just a few functions, it's a total game-changer. So there you have it, the best smart kitchen appliances for beginners in 2026. Whether you're looking for precision, fun, health, versatility, or an all-in-one powerhouse, there's a perfect appliance for you. Make sure to check the pinned comment and description for the best prices right now on all these incredible appliances. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.